Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that. Stay tuned for that, Taurus. So let's start with these cards. Tower, Strength, and Five of Swords in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, you are facing some difficulties. Something is worrying you. Maybe you are trying really hard, trying to do things the right way because you are someone dedicated to your work, devoted to whatever you do. And you have that courage and determination in your heart of hearts. You want to make things right, do your best, and so you are making relentless efforts today, Taurus, trying to achieve your goals or moving towards your dreams and goals in your life. And maybe in this relationship today, you have some changes, you are seeing some changes. Certain things are not going right, even though you are really dedicated to this relationship, trustworthy, loyal. You see some changes. Maybe there may be some arguments or some stressful circumstances in this relationship. Something is not right. And it may be some sudden changes, something you never expected in this connection. And though it may be something really painful today, these drastic changes, it may worry you a lot, make you really anxious. But these changes are necessary because it is bringing out the truth. Maybe the truth in your heart, truth in that person's heart. So, deep down, whatever they are, that is what is coming to light today. So, you will not know it, you will not understand them unless and until you go through these drastic circumstances today. So, you are seeing some changes maybe in the way things are between you. And these changes are for something better to come into your life. You need not worry. You may not see your circumstances as something positive, but in truth, your circumstances are something really positive for you. It is actually helping you to realize each other's qualities and understand each other in a better way today. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Five of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your connection, there is a news waiting for you. So it may be this person coming towards you. Maybe if you were in a breakup, if you were away from each other, they are definitely coming back to tell you something important. Or it may be your past person. They are here to tell you something important, maybe uh, make amends, tell you sorry, and patch up things. And it is something really unexpected happening in this relationship for you all guys, Taurus. And your circumstances are moving towards something very good, very positive changes are what I see with these cards, guys, Taurus. So, for your career situation, we picked one card, Four of Cups in reverse. So, in your work circumstances, you are getting a new beginning, guys, a new opportunity, something you never expected, something really good, something that is going to take you towards your dreams and aspirations, and it is going to increase your work potential, it is going to increase your opportunities for success, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good, try to be good, and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So, soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So, in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, that love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.